Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, as you can see on the screen that we have news coming up today during the US session. Retail sales report. This will bring volatility to the market. So you need to be careful, extra careful with your US dollar positions. But market is not waiting for retail sales. Market is waiting for tomorrow's FOMC. Tomorrow's FOMC will be the biggest event of the week because it will decide the direction of the market. So yes, you need to be extra careful. And if you have any GBP position right now, yes, you need to be careful because news is also coming up on GBP after some time. So let's look at the chart of dollar index first. Dollar index DXY as expected broke the previous resistance of 102.8, 102.80 and made a high of almost 103.5 and right now standing at 103.12. Before the US session, if the volatility of the market remains like this, then you can expect 102.80 to be the support for the day before the US session. So volatility of the market will be very important. So if the volatility is low, this is the support for the market. In case market shows volatility, if by the European session market shows some craziness and market breaks 102.80, then the next support will be around 102.50. So these are the two support levels before the news on the chart of the DXY. If you're wondering about resistance, 103.5, 103.50 to 103.60 is still the resistance for the market. So this is the range for DXY, and hopefully market will not show a crazy US session before the FOMC. Okay, and let's wait how the market reacts on FOMC. And if you look at the chart of Euro USD, then we do not have much to discuss. Our support level worked perfectly. Yesterday we saw a pinpoint accuracy on the chart of euro dollar. Our support of 1.0880 worked very nicely, and right now euro dollar is standing at 1.0908. Or in simple words, euro USD is right now standing at the previous support. And you can see this is the Forex chart, and right now you can see that we do not have any clarity. The previous candle was spinning top, which signifies indecision in the market. So as a result, it's better to wait and watch the market. If you have any ongoing position, you can be on the trade, no need to exit. But if you're looking for fresh entry, then it's better to wait because you don't need to trade on each and every level of the market. As I always say, my dear friends, that we are retail traders. It is not possible to understand the market at each and every level. So always trade on the levels that you understand. So in this case, during the day or before the US session, if market comes to the yesterday's low or a support of 1.0880, we can look for a support again, and if market takes support as per expectation, we can look for a buy. In this situation, there is a 90% chance that market will be taking support because to break a level, volume is extremely important. Volume is missing right now, so yes, we can expect 1.0880 to act as the support before the US session. And the second support is around 1.0840. So if you have watched my previous videos on euro USD, then the levels are still very much same. You can easily see that the levels have not changed at all. 1.0880 in low volatile situation, 1.0840 in high volatile situation before the US session. Yes, before the US session only, because again, we are retail traders. We need to understand when to trust the technicals and when to go with the fundamentals. As we all know, my dear friends, when news dominates the market, when fundamentals dominate the market, the technicals do not work, and that's a sad reality, bitter reality, and we need to accept it. And during the day, if market shows upside, then 1.0975 may act as the resistance for the day before the US session, because you can see here we have the 50 moving average. Along with that, we also have previous support acting as resistance. In sideways market or choppy market, the moving average do not work. Moving averages are mostly built for trending markets. Okay, moving averages fall short in sideways market, and here apart from or along with the moving average, the price action, the previous support acting as resistance, is giving us the signal that, my dear friend, I have sellers, and you can look for some selling opportunity around this area. So by the European session, if market shows upside, definitely we can expect Euro USD to struggle around 1.0975, 1.0970. If market reverses, we can definitely look for a sell position. And after news, okay, I'm not giving any levels right now because as I said, FOMC is the FOMC is the biggest event for the week. So yes, in this situation, there is a possibility that market may not show some big moves. Market may show some price rejection spikes, and you may get trapped. So in case you see market forming spikes, market showing strong price rejection from both the sides, my defense, try to avoid news. We all love volatility in the market, as a result of which maximum of you lose money during the news, because manipulation takes place in news market, and that's a bitter reality. Okay, and one more thing, there is a very thin line between trading and gambling. Sometimes we don't know that we are gambling, we think that we are trading. So don't make the mistake, and only trade on the levels that you understand. Okay, so this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. So if I have missed anything, please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow, and be careful.